In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Telegram desktop errors using 4 simple troubleshooting methods. These steps can help if Telegram won't open, keeps freezing, gets stuck loading, refuses to connect, or closes unexpectedly. We'll start with the quickest solution by ending Telegram processes, then try running the app as administrator, resetting your network settings, and finally, reinstalling Telegram if the problem continues. If this guide helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical software troubleshooting tutorials. Let's get started. The first method is to end all Telegram processes from Task Manager. Sometimes Telegram appears to be closed, but one or more background processes are still running. These processes can prevent the app from opening correctly or cause a frozen session. To begin, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time. This opens Windows Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in a simplified view, click More Details to see the full list of running applications and background processes. Look through the list for Telegram or Telegram Desktop. You may see more than one Telegram process, so check carefully. Select a Telegram process, then click End Task. If there are multiple Telegram entries, repeat the same step for each one. Once all Telegram processes have been closed, wait a few seconds and open Telegram Desktop again from the Start menu or Desktop shortcut. Check whether the app now launches and connects normally. This quick restart often fixes temporary glitches without changing any settings. If Telegram still shows an error, the next method is to run it as administrator. This can help when Windows permissions are preventing Telegram from accessing required files or making a connection. Close Telegram first if it is currently open, then find the Telegram shortcut on your desktop or search for Telegram from the Windows Start menu. Right-click the Telegram icon and select Run as Administrator. If Windows displays a user account control prompt, click Yes. Telegram will now launch with elevated permissions. Try signing in, sending a message, or loading your chats to see if the problem has been resolved. If running Telegram as administrator fixes the issue, you can optionally change its settings so it always runs with administrator permissions. To do this, right-click the Telegram shortcut, select Properties, open the Compatibility tab, and enable Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK. You may not need this setting permanently, so only enable it if it consistently resolves the error. The third method is to reset your Windows network settings. This is useful if Telegram opens but cannot connect, messages remain stuck, media will not load, or you see connection-related errors. Before continuing, save your work because you'll need to restart your computer afterward. Open the Start menu and search for Command Prompt. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. When the user account control prompt appears, click Yes. In the Administrator command prompt window, type netsh Winsock reset and press Enter. This resets the Windows socket configuration, which can help repair problems affecting network communication. After that command finishes, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears the DNS cache stored on your computer. Windows should confirm that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. Close command prompt, restart your computer, and then launch Telegram again. Test the connection by opening a conversation and sending a message. Keep in mind that resetting network settings can affect other applications too, but it is generally a safe troubleshooting step when performed correctly. If Telegram Desktop still does not work, the final method is to uninstall and reinstall the application. Reinstalling can replace damaged program files and install the latest available version. To uninstall Telegram, open Windows Settings and select Apps. Choose Installed Apps, search for Telegram, click the three dot menu next to it, and select Uninstall. Follow the instructions shown on screen. Once Telegram has been removed, download the newest version from the official Telegram desktop website or install it through the Microsoft Store. Avoid downloading setup files from unfamiliar websites because unofficial downloads may contain unwanted software. After the installation finishes, open Telegram, sign in with your phone number, and complete the verification process. Your cloud-based chats should become available again after you log in. If you use secret chats or locally stored files, remember that some information may not be restored after reinstalling, so check anything important before removing the application. To quickly recap, first end every Telegram process through Task Manager and reopen the app. Next, try running Telegram as administrator. If the issue is related to connectivity, run netsh Winsock reset and ipconfig/flushdns in an administrator command prompt, then restart your PC. Finally, if none of those methods work, uninstall Telegram and install the latest version from an official source. These steps should resolve most common Telegram desktop errors, including startup problems, freezing, connection failures, and corrupted installations. If the error continues, check whether Windows is fully updated, temporarily review your firewall or antivirus settings, and make sure Telegram service is not experiencing an outage. If this video helped you fix Telegram, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.